Guys, welcome back to another episode of Outre's Try On Wigs with me. It's your girl CrownedK here, and today, honey, we are going in with Outre's Lacefront Greta wig. I hope I said that right, and we're just like jumping straight in. So she is a bob unit. It has like an asymmetrical cut, and it is a lace frontal. The lace is pretty thin, so you can definitely like glue her down. And I have combs on the inside as well as adjustable straps, and it does have a breathable mesh. So this first color, guys, is in the color Butterscotch, and I feel like it's such a cute color. It's very different. It's giving me 90s vibes. That's what I thought when I just like put it on. Like the color is definitely like giving me like that 90s vibe. So this is what she looks like. I did not glue this unit down, but you can definitely glue this down. It already comes with baby hairs. I just cut the lace off and I sprayed just a little bit of spray, and I used gel for the baby hairs only because I already had makeup on, so it would be harder to use like, you know, like sprays or like extra glues and stuff. But you can definitely slay this unit in terms of like installing it, so it blends way better. And I love how their lace front is constricted. It looks pretty natural. The lace is thin, so you can definitely get away with like laying it out and no one would even know that you're wearing like a synthetic unit. So this is her. I love how it looks. Like, it's really giving me that 90s vibes. I don't know why. This color is very unique and it's really pretty. What I like though, guys, that this series has a lot of color options. You have mixed colors, you have blondes, you have reds, as well as you have natural colors. So it's all up to you and your vibe. That's like the 360 of the hair. It is asymmetrical. It's longer on one side, and I love the cut. I think it's pretty cute, and it's a pretty straightforward unit. It's literally a grab and go. You can just cut the lace off and you're ready to go. And even if you don't want to like glue it down or do anything, you can just use a little gel and do your baby hairs, because for the remainder of the units, all I did was add a little bit of gel to the baby hairs and that's it, and I was ready to go. So this is our second color. This is ginger brown. I think this is pretty cute. It's giving me autumn spice vibes. That's what it's giving me. It's pretty cute. This is the color that's on the stock card, and it looks really good. Definitely a autumn vibe if you're into that. And these units, guys, are really affordable. That's what I love the most about Outre's. Their lace front series, like, it's very affordable. And this is what the back of the unit is looking like. I'll give you another 360. The color is really pretty. The back is the same, like asymmetrical cut. I love how just like carefree and just like effortless this unit is. I feel like it's more of like a looser curl. Not sure like the exact like pattern, but it's pretty cute. So guys, we're moving on to another color. Or other color is going to be a blonde bombshell. Y'all know I love me some blonde hair. So we're moving on to this 613 color, and I feel like it's super bomb. At first I was scared, but it's pretty cute. And what I did, guys, with all these units, I added my foundation, like the powder, in the part just to get it to like really lay. And guys, look how good this looks, and it's not like glued down or anything. All I did was do like two baby hairs and just like tuck the hair behind my ear, and it looks so bomb. This is for the bowl, like if you want to be like super poppin' over the holidays and you know you don't want to spend that much, you could definitely like slay on a budget with this unit. It's super sassy. Went in, guys, real quick just to try my hair with a headband, and that looks super cute. So if you want to dress your wig up, you can definitely do that. And now we have the final color. This is the 1B color. Y'all can definitely get this if you're on the more like natural side. I really like how it looks. The natural color gives it like a more like, you know, human hair vibe. It's really, really cute. I hope y'all liked this video. I Want to know like was your favorite color? Because for me, it's the blonde. Okay, the 613, and this 1B color is just it for me. So like, let me know down in the comments like what y'all think about this wig. Shout outs to Outre. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. All the information on these units will definitely be down in the description, so y'all can like check that out. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.